Hey YouTube, in this particular video we are going to talk about the OnePlus 9 series which is going to be launching tomorrow, particularly the OnePlus 9 Pro, which is going to be the top tier device which is going to be launching tomorrow. So in this video we are going to talk about all the spec sheet that has already been leaked by the CEO itself. So we are going to talk about all those spec sheet which are going to be coming inside. So starting from the display, we are going to see the similar kind of design just like the OnePlus 8 Pro and 8T devices, and it will have a punch-hole camera cutout present on the left corner of the device, and the front is going to be coming with a 6.7-inch of fluid AMOLED display with 120 Hz of refresh rate. The front is also going to be protected by Gorilla Glass protection, and in-display fingerprint scanner is also going to be available on the front of the device. Also, the bezels are going to be pretty much slim, and we are going to see the curved edges around the corner of the device. Moving on towards the back side, we have a new design. Instead of the camera bump which was present in the center of the device in the previous OnePlus devices, now we have a camera bump present on the top left corner of the device, in which the two main camera sensors are going to be in a larger size, whereas two are coming in a smaller size, and the camera bump on the back side is going to be a little bit thicker. As far as the cameras are concerned, we are going to see a 48 megapixel of a main camera sensor, a 50 megapixel of a sensor on the back side, 8 megapixel of a depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel of macro camera shooter on the back side. As the images are giving us a detail that the back is going to be made of a matte finish, and it's going to be coming with a Gorilla Glass protection on the back side, and the glass is going to be frosted glass on the back side. In talking about the internals of the device, well, we have the Snapdragon 888 processor inside the device, which is obviously going to be the choice for OnePlus devices. With that being said, the internals, we are also going to see two different variants: 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, and 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage option. Unfortunately, we are not going to see any kind of micro SD card slot inside the OnePlus 9 Pro devices. Also, the battery is going to be 4500 milliamp. It's going to be a little bit on the smaller side, but considering the fact that it is going to perform really well and it is optimized by software, so we can think that this is going to be pretty good. One of the things which is interesting, that we are going to see a 50 watt of wireless charging support inside the device, and also we are going to see 65 watt of fast charging capabilities as a wide charging inside the OnePlus 9 Pro device. As far as the pricing is concerned, we are going to see the 8 gigs and 128 gigs of model is coming with a price tag of $898, whereas the 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage is going to be coming with a price tag of $967. These prices has been converted from the Indian pricing that has been shared by Abhishek Yadav on his Twitter account regarding the OnePlus 9 Pro. So guys, honestly I think that the OnePlus is going to be coming with a great display, and on the back we have a new Hasselblad partnership with the OnePlus devices. We have to wait and see how that is going to be performing. Obviously there are certainly many things that has been changed in the design department, so we can expect that OnePlus is going to be looking great in that department as well. So guys, overall I think that OnePlus is going to be pretty much great device in terms of its pricing, because all those spec sheet that are coming inside are going to be a flagship killer level device, and considering the fact that Samsung has announced their flagship level device at such a high price tag, so OnePlus 9 Pro device is going to be coming with a decent price tag inside. And here, let me know your thoughts. What are your opinion, and are you excited about the OnePlus 9 Pro? So guys, that is it in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and peace.